Focus to some other news that we are tracking. Well, the Supreme Court adjourned the hearing of a habeas corpus plea filed by climate activist Sonam Wangchuk's wife, challenging his detention under the National Security Act. The plea has been listed for hearing next Tuesday by a bench comprising Justices Aravind, Kumar and Anjaria. During today's hearing, the top court also issued notices to the centre, the Jammu Kashmir Administration and the Rajasthan Government in response to his wife's petition, which sought her husband's immediate release and access. The bench also asked the centre why the grounds of Wangchuk's detention had not been communicated to his wife. My colleague Riya Dwivedi with us on the broadcast to give us more of this. Riya, take our viewers through the details that are coming in.
Supreme Court issued notice to the Union Government on Habeas Corpus petition filed by Gitanjali J Angmo, wife of Ladakh-based activist Sonam Wangchuk, who challenged his petition under the National Security Act after the violence in Leh last month. And now the Apex Court has posted the matter for next hearing on October 14. And the bench of Justices Aravind, Kumar and Anjaria sought the response of the government, the Ladakh Administration and Jodhpur Jail after a brief hearing. And senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who was appearing for Wangchuk's wife, said that the plea is assailing the detention. He said, and I quote, "We are against the detention." He informed the court. Meanwhile, on the other hand, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who was representing the Union Government, said that the grounds of detention have been supplied to Wangchuk. And on the other hand, the bench also questioned why there was no notice on the grounds of the arrest. So now the next hearing is slated for Tuesday, which is October 14. Back to studio.
All right, Riya, thank you for sharing all those details. My colleague Sambhav Sharma also with us on the broadcast. Sambhav, take our viewers to the details that we're tracking as far as this hearing goes.
Justice Aravind, Kumar and Justice Anjaria, and the Supreme Court took up the matter just 10:30 a.m. And the Supreme Court has heard this habeas corpus petition of Gitanjali J Angmo, who is the wife of Ladakh activist Sonam Wangchuk, who is detained under NSA. And what is the latest update in this is that the top court has issued notice to the Union of India, Union Territory of Ladakh and others and sought their reply. Solicitor General, who appeared for Centre and Ladakh Administration, said that lawyers have already met him, as in Sonam Wangchuk, in detention, who is in detention. And senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who appeared for Sonam Wangchuk here, and said that we want to know the grounds of the detention, and also no one is being allowed to meet Sonam Wangchuk, is what is said by Kapil Sibal. And as court has recorded Kapil Sibal's statement that providing detention order to Wangchuk's wife would not be used as a fresh ground of challenge, which is the exact thing is contended by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who said that the concern is that the new ground of challenge could be created if the order was given to the family members. And to this, senior advocate Kapil Sibal argued that without receiving the ground of detention, there was nothing for the petitioner to challenge. So these were the arguments made in the top court, where two-judge bench of the Supreme Court heard this particular matter. And also the Supreme Court has asked Solicitor General as to why the detention order was not shared with Sonam Wangchuk's wife. And again, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said that it's likely that new grounds of challenge could be created. And the Supreme Court has recorded Kapil Sibal's statement that providing detention order to Wangchuk's wife would not create, or rather would not be used as fresh ground of challenge. The Supreme Court has slated the matter for further hearing on Tuesday, and this is what is the latest. And the hearing, happened in the Supreme Court to the bench of the Supreme Court, and notices have been issued.
Sambhav, thank you for sharing all those details with us. Moving on to some more news that we are tracking.